In this video, I'll show you how to take a photo using your webcam on Windows. Let's get started. First, open the Camera app. Once the Camera app is open, you'll see different options on the right side. You can switch between photo and video mode. Make sure Photo is selected. At the top, you'll also find settings like framing grid, photo quality, and other options that you can adjust if needed. Now, to take a photo, simply click on the Capture button. This will instantly snap a picture using your webcam. After taking the photo, look at the bottom corner and click on the small preview image. This will open your photo. From here, you can zoom in, rotate the image, delete it, or apply basic edits. And that's it. That's how you can quickly take a photo using your webcam on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.